Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Today to show you a great trailer. This is a brand new Coachmen Apex. It is called the 300 BHS and it's a double slide. It's a remarkable trailer because extremely well built, very durable, and also this trailer only weighs 6,000 pounds dry. I don't think you're going to find anything like this that's lighter weight. Take a look inside, you're going to like it. So, we'll start in the back, because that's where the big bunk room is. Usually when you're looking at a bunkhouse trailer this size, it's going to weigh 7,500, 8,500, perhaps even more, making it totally untowable for most trucks. This is a rig that you could easily pull with a number of the half tons that are currently in the market. So we got a great big living space back here with a big deep slide. This is an overhead bunk that folds up out of the way. We have cushions that make into bedding here. We have a bunk up here, and we have a lot of storage. And see, look at, there's a massive cabinet there, and there's also a TV cabinet here. So if you've got people back here, kids in particular, you want to set them up with a TV or a video game, you can do it. Nice big full-size fridge and freezer. Got a nice bathroom, and see how bright and light that is in there? It's got a skylight and it's got a tub, so if your kids are little, you can throw them in there and hose them off. Now, we take a look here. We've got really a tremendous amount of counter space. Got a great big deep double sink. This is dynamite stuff called stone cast, and it's very, very durable. You have a booth dinette and a sofa. And one thing I really like about this is all possible bedding. So you could sleep about 10 people in here if you're all getting along between the bedrooms and this area. But the other thing I like is that the seating areas are across from each other instead of all down one side. So instead of all the people sitting shoulder to shoulder, we can face each other and we can socialize a little bit better. Now this has a TV set that swivels. When you open these pocket doors, the set can be swiveled toward the bedroom, which is beautiful, and you also see a wonderful front window, and it just changes the whole dynamic to be able to have some light in your bedroom. Think about all the ones that don't. Now, the other thing that's kind of neat about the TV when it swivels is the entertainment swivels too, so you can actually control the entertainment system while you're in bed. Take a look, most trailers don't do that. One other thing I want you to know about this on the interior is this is a solid core vacuum bonded roof. There's no place in this roof for water to be. It's very, very durable and strong. The other thing is the sidewall. It's got a special material in it called Asdel. You can look it up on the internet. This product design is to prevent delamination in your sidewall. This is a really, really good design. Let's take a quick look outside. First thing I want you to see is how thick the compartment doors are here. This is just as wide as the door almost, and it really keeps it warm and dry in this big storage area down here. Also, take a look out front. We've got a power tongue jack. We've got dual tanks. There's our front window, but this is a nice enclosure, and it's really designed to make it easy to maintain your front end and prevent leaks. This is the weather end of the trailer, and this is a good way to set up that deal to prevent damage just due to weather and windage. Okay, let's walk down here. You can see we have the outside shower. This is a good place for me to point out we have frameless windows. Frameless windows have an advantage. They don't transmit heat and cold, and they don't promote condensation inside the trailer the way a typical aluminum frame window will. So that's a big plus. Plus they're really good looking. Here's windows for our bunk area. One last thing I want you to see is that this has a pre-wire for a backup camera on it, and it's got a nice crown to the roof. If you look up, you'll see that it's got a shape to it, so you get some water runoff. This is the Coachmen Apex Ultra Lite. It's a great trailer. I sell them like crazy, and the people who buy them are really happy and really surprised at how light they are. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, I want you to give me a call. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.